Nonsia abo adishima mahema mu nyina ju sansoma mo akwaba ediba virgin enwume nonsia kasebo eso kasebo ensa soso ene enwume ana yensa asoso ayeba betete ne srani abasa ediama mo ene enwume se virgin enwume nonsia kasebo ensem no edo so de edimu akotene bi ene say Dr. Zinato Rollins ono eye enkanema mpanyi Jerry John Rollins deba panyini wakasa achiremu ese wonmu enyini no egwo wonum papa ensem no ekame ese na ensem echese na ehusem no akwakoye kana kakra mu chiremu so yede bebremu kaseboyi emu na coronavirus ayeguso abohu debro no sese na maniebo ababetodwa enise kwa na ekosoro sese ayekase apeja ni mu foforo kra ababeka ho 367 na Dr. Okuboy wono so akasa chiremu ese kamia ese Ghana fo binumu ekase coronavirus ya dia asanso amma ne homiri so ewo my Ghana munum kamia ese campaign yede ehihye so mekire afempinu ni aduonum no enu nanam so ama eye coronavirus ya de no apagya num a wachire mu se enye sa na tie de biara da yeguso ebo coronavirus ho dewro e de akire Ghana fo na amanebo ababeto dwa eni se mochirefo wonum ase obi wu a yede wonum ekọ honum na watimi asiesie no ahwe no so kama no ababeto dwa se emunsia afa coronavirus ya de no emu afom ahwe wonum enkwan asoyen so from the West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens wonum so abamontren hede ababeto edwasen kebe ya aban no enhwe na asukufo nkoda wonum ekosuku sahodo na emu no aban no enhwe no wonye test ahodo na ewo wonum eso ansam ebekokopie mu ewo enigide ensemu na otwenwie ya na video bi eba abontina na Cecilia Mafo ene Joyce Blessing wonum ejina simpie so etoto nyuma ana eya sembi ekokosi na nam so ama eye Celestine Donko no so eye gospel nyumtunim wakasa ede afa ho yedi awkansie mu samso ebebremu kaseboyi emu na afeni kwakwa no yakokopie mu ewamanoni ensem emu na Sierra Leone emanu emu so ababeto dwa ese coronavirus yede no asanso ama ne homre so pa no enye asemkutu enam so ama wonuma hinkura no ewo honum eyade se wonum edi lockdown ato so sede beyo na adihye wo honum betimi abo ho ban edi afri yade no ehun ensema foforo bi nimka wo hu ya kansie ka ho ebi ana ya bobo no ede babeso mo enanwume se virgin enwume no nsia kasebo na hye so ese kasebo ye adwumako bi adaroma na aso yasene ame ye de kasebo e ba beda mo ene enwume eye Success Preparatory School upesku papa edoba akodia ene na mekanfo Success ede amount wonu mecha kwan ewo insewon adeso kwantempo no eso achachofo ho no echa digi papa wonu bo homoden na ye school dan no so de efeye pasa odoba no ekọ no mache se wasom betimi adwom coronavirus ya de no ababia intimisro upesku papa edoba akọ na wasom betimi adwode a ene na de wani efa kochim ewo Success Preparatory School from Wahomatri for Israel 0208 278 198 0208 278 198 na oni penfo ntwetwe nkomo na fa oba no ekọ na bibia ntimi enye kama mi ameji bre akenkan kasebodi amamo ene enwumemi dia meji so a ene ma bina adobia yedan husma ye ba kaseboni mu kiremu ede bebremu abusia sanso mamo akwa babiem ediba virgin enwume no nsia kasebo no eso yen hyase emfa kasebo no mu kiremu emamodia November was me de tosu dunum e wa fimpinu ni adwonum ene babeto dwase Ghana yankwan kote asemda ne nyina da ene se mampanyi dada Jerry John Rawlings oda ne benkum eso wabra okopie mu ewo eye kolebu aban ya aya sabia nnom so ama ohwe ne kwan ya na afei na penfo ede enima agugu akwemu a na eyi hu totoye no edidi so a ene se nuada wonomu ede ehihye so enenso ebia ekoso kama na enwada no enwumre na wono esanso ede video night ehihye so ede emanu na odwumedie no ase no na ne bapanyin eye Dr. Zenato Rawlings kasa ana wo church okwan a wonomu ene won papa etimi enya nketamudi a woni wonomu enya ye na wo kasa no chemu ese ekame ese wonomu enyini ye beto wonom papa na chese ne ho asem no akwakoye kana kakra yenkongotie ni nsem ne bi emra sisia.
It's quite complicated sometimes. We didn't live in a castle with him. I think that was a joint decision between my parents for two reasons. One of which was the fact that he knew that at the time, because there wasn't that much stability, there was a threat to his life at some times, and he didn't want us to be a part of that. So he felt that if we lived in a separate location, it kind of decreased the risk. The second reason, which I think was definitely a joint parent, where my mother probably weighed in a lot more, was to make sure that we didn't grow up with the airs and a feeling of superiority, but because by virtue of living within that, in the castle, for example, so it was just to have as normal a life as possible, which meant we didn't see him as often. But when we did, there was always something. He wanted to impart so much knowledge, and if it wasn't teaching my siblings and I how to drive before our feet could even touch the gas pedal, it was teaching us how to fly the model planes or ride our bicycles. He was purpose-driven, and every encounter with him needed to have some kind of meaning and an outcome of sorts. He helped us develop a real love for nature. He really loved animals and nature, and he was really in his element when he was out in nature. That was interesting. My mother was the stricter disciplinarian. However, when she kind of ran out of options on what to do, she'd say, she'd tell our father, and then, you kind of back down because you don't even want the glare. He had the glare. And we all got that kind of treatment. Or if there was something that you wanted and my mother didn't want to be the one to say no, she'll tell you, go and ask your father. And then that means that the answer is no, but she didn't say no. But by and large, he was, when he was with you, he was present. And we didn't get to spend that amount of time with him every day. But when you did spend time with him, it was fruitful, and it wasn't a case of looking at your age or
come here se coronavirus ya bohu de ba ya egusua ebose Ghana form ebetimi ahwe ne wonmu edi nose mask no wonmu edi akata wonmu ehwene ene wonmu ano ne ahoroho yensa na afensu no social distancing no ya hwe ne edi so no come here se hwasam no akwakoye kana kakra enam so ama Ghana Health Service wonmu esanso dia babetu edwase come here se ade achi na ade esen nyina no na yade no kwa na ekosoro ewo oman no emu a sesi aye kase wonmu ade ababetu edwa ese ade achi yi 367 new cases anase ne aba foforo kwa yade no wonmu anya bie no ana wonmu ade ababetu dwa wonmu gusua ebodero se Ghana fo ema wani enna hoye papa na ehihye ahodo edi egu akwam no enyina da yenhwe na yenni so pepepe.
Ghana Health Service ayeku a womo hwe yapomudin ho nsem so ewo man Ghana emu. Omo enenei womo di ababetu edwase eyade COVID-19 yade no esoro kwa na ekwo sesi eyi no eyade se echewa sebe unya wutire enidim utimi femu ehwere wo enkwa esanse womo eye nhwehwemu no eyade enkofo dodo wa edebia womo ewu no eyade esoro kwa na ekwo enti yemo ye homodin pa eyi se Ghana enhyehyɛ ya hodo mpanimfo de egu akwemu efa COVID-19 yade no ehom se wo be hohoro won nsa wobɛhyɛ wo nose mask empo no wona wadɔfo nom ehyia mobɛtete mu ntam sanso ɛna wonkonkokyia obi ensɛm no yɛbɛma ɛno no aye yɛ nidaso papa eyie na aye yɛ dadwen na ama yɛtimi etu ho anamo abre ne abribia na ɛno aboa etimi abre covid-19 no ano ase ɛwɔ man Ghana mu ɛne adɔfo no ma wɔn ɛfa mu ɛhwere wɔn nkwa no so yɛbɛtimi ɛne wɔn atena sɛ yɛnua ɛne yɛadɔfo enti yɛmo yɛ ho modern sɛ hyehyɛ no yɛbɛdi so pɛpɛpɛ
Yegusua ewo coronavirus ya de bia bepie oman Ghana emu ene eho ensem ya na Dr. Okoboy enkane na ono ene ye oswafo abedechi ohwe ya pomuden ho ensem eso wakasa atwemu ese ekame ese Ghana fo binum ekasa ese coronavirus ya de asanso apagya no ne homre so ewo oman Ghana emu no ekame ese eye campaign ahodo a ye de ehhehye so afimpinu ni aduonum no eno ana wakasa atwemu ese sansem a Ghana fo binum ekeka ese campaign ahodo a de hhehye so ne nam so ama coronavirus ya de no apagya ne mu ewo oman Ghana mu no enye sa ne tie de biara da
Nkani aswafo ebedi acha no wono na ehwe Ghana yapomuden ho ensam so onimonyamfo Dr. Bernard Okoboy ono ene ne wodi ababetu edwase eyade covid-19 yade ye pagya na epagya ne mum na amanfo nso efe wo mu ehwere wo mu enkwa no Ghana fo no bi ekeka se eyade a amanyoko ahodo no afia etwa mu no campaign ahodo wo mu eyeye ewo abra ye babetu aba no eno na ama covid-19 yade no etimi apagya ne mu ewo man Ghana mu eno ne wodi abetu dwase eyade anokura bia ennimu sa se eye campaign na wo mu eyeye afie twa mu eno nti na ama covid-19 no apagya ne mu na emom eyade bronye ye kokodi ye eye busumi ya etwa mu ya eno na ama covid-19 no apagya no mu esanse amanfo firi amanone eba afie ene wo mu abusuafo ebedi bronya no sanso na adofo nom so ekokohie mu ewo baby fakwa na tete wontam hyew nose mask for sanitizer ya wonsa no eno ne yetwa ne nyine gu ya na eni ya dwe mu sesebe ye beye sa eno na ama enam so sese no covid-19 ne etimi atese enti matimemu ni bia enka sem yade a campaign ahodo a amanyoku ahodo no eye no afi na etwa mu no ana ama covid-19 no ekosoro na emum bronya na ye kokodi ye no eno na ama sese a covid-19 no etimi apagya ne mu ewo man Ghana emu
coronavirus ya de numu anya egusu ewo ehwasam no akwakoye kana papa ewo man Ghana emu ama ye bompa ye esempenfo betimi anya ehu aduro ede aba man Ghana emu se de beyo ne enso betimi ehu ahenhan ye ewo oman no emu na amane ebo ababeto dwa eni se motrefo wonum asebe se ye di efunu anaso obi a wafi mu ekọ wonum ensem a wonum ehwe no siesie no ama bibia timi eye kama no ababeto dwa se coronavirus ye de no enam so ama emu nsia sesie kase wonum afa ya de no eso ahwe wonum enkwa
Churchofo penny edema Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana yetua niti ase MOWAC onimonyamfo Richard Kofi Jordan wono ne wodi ababetu edwase eyade January busumi yi emu Mochi wamo amoye adwuma ewo mochi meche mindfo maako ensia ana ahwere womo enkwa esign covid-19 yade no enti na ne yinada ene se eyade a PPE meche nyoma yade boye ho ban efri covid-19 yade no eho no eyade mochi ahodo ewo man Ghana mu no womo enya bi so womo nya kra enyade a eso womo eso ebi ene se nose masks hand sanitizers eni Veronica bucket ahodo a wose womo sensuo gum no mode hohoro womo ensano eyade a mocha hodo wo man Ghana mu no ye cha enye ni hina ene so womo so enu nti ena na muso enkofo makomakom ensia meche moche man ensia womo afamu na covid-19 yade yi womo anam so ahwere womo enkwa wo kasa no ena wode to aso se sesie no eyade a moche man ahodo wo man Ghana mu no womo abo ehu papa eyie enti wo kasa womo emere adwuma kura na womo etwetwe womo ho enti se kane na omudi eninje eye adwuma no sesie no obibia wo ye mokyerema esuro se wono so covid-19 yade no wo benye bi no wafamu ahwere ne nkwa enti aban emomodem se wo beye bibi afa ho na PPG meche nneoma yede boye ho ba efri coronavirus no eho no wo beche na ebi aso mokyemanya wo mo ewa yaresa bia hodo a ewo man Ghana mu no eso
enche bia ana aban no ebie apono mu ede ama sukufo nkwada se wono enkonkoto wono adesua esofiti abra coronavirus yadun ba bepie mu ewo manga na munum na aban no eni hweye ese obefa sa akonya no eso tutututu sufu ahodo na emu se de beyo na sukufo nkwada betimi abon ho ban edi afri yade no ehum na enche bia na aban no ede ba betu dwase wo biebie suku enu enti sukufo nkwada no betimi akosuku dem akwakoto wono mu adesua eso enam so ama asoye bia ye from se West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens wono mu ababonten ede ababetu edwapa se enkabe ya ban no enhwe na sukufo nkwada ye biebie wono so wono mu enkosuku nkonkoto wono mu adesua so no na nkaban no enhwe na test ahodo eyo ewo coronavirus yade no ehono wonye ni nyina da ebi ewo nkwada no ehon
Kwantrefo peni a wono eneda West Africa Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens nidi ede Professor Gordon Awandare ono enenei wodi ababetu edwase eyade amampeni na nadoda nkwakufuado ono ne mpanifo wo mommodin pan yese suku ahodu a wo ebiebie no ewo manga na mu titiriw ene primary schools no wo mbebo modern se wo bema testing no ayade a ebekoso papa eyi si won behwehwe nkwada ne mogya mu no mahunu se yade COVID-19 no ebi ewo wo mogya no emu esanse nkwada no wo ebi mususa enti no dia obekase ma wo enye no eno ena wo ebeye eno enam so ebetimi ama COVID-19 yade no ebi etimi moa no aba wo mogya no emu enti se de omotia no so no ebi nya bi ene wo betimi ede ache nkwada maako edu eni echire dakro esanse wo pon suku anase woko break kra obeye se woko ni nua ho no wone no akwakodi agro enti so wo bia ni nua no nso ebetimi enye bi enti no yemmomoden si ye behwehwe nkwada ne mogya mu eya no pe bi ombebe school no ni ehunu se sa akode wo bi anase woni bi na no ebetimi aboa na COVID-19 yade no ano etimi abre ase
ye to akasebo no eso na ya dan ni akopie mu ewo enigide ensem emu na otwinye ya ele bubble to dwase nyumtuni a wagidin ewo manga na hanusia ne din ene Joyce Blessing okogudina simpie so etonyum chese wo yinyame aye na oguso atonyum ekanfo awrade na Anna Cecilia Mafo no so eye nyumtuni okokohwim ni microphone no edi efri ni sema na wade ho nsem ana kokokan ye ewo bedwam na enam so amaga na fo bebre na kasa edi afa ho se esa dia ya Cecilia Mafo eye yo no enya de se enunu eye de biarada enam so ama gospel nyumtuni ane din ene Celestine Donko ono so akasa akyeremu ese ankabeya se nyankopon ekasa kyerewa ohunhuma husenie obehye ho so a wode sa asemi ekọ ede ama Cecilia Mafo
na wotwe mu ena ye maami Cecilia Mafo eni ye nua bag Joyce Blessing ekokohie mu ewo dwumadie bi ase ewo Kumase na ewo dwumadie no ase ewo abra ye nua ba Joyce Blessing ejina simpie so na woto nwum eyi ewrade aye ena ye maami Cecilia Mafo esori free na konwa so na wokoji microphone na ekuta ne nsem efree ne nsem na ne nyina da ene se ne nsem wo ka kire ne nyina ene se wonsan kọ na nkonko ware na ware am emie bi a etwa woni ni kunu wamu ejai aware no wonsanko na wonkonko fa ni kunu eno ena Ghana fonum bi kasa bebre se de ye maami Cecilia Mafo ye no entwa yie ebi nso si etwa yie eno ena ye nei ye nua ba wono nso ye ka gospel artist wo ye ba ko no ye maami Celestine Donko wodi aba bontin no wodi aba betu edwase eyade de ye maami Cecilia Mafo ye no wo ka se etwa yie dia ene na wodi atoro eyade entwa yie kitikiti bi mpo esanse ye wa kwan bebra na nke ye maami Cecilia Mafo ebetimi afaso ne wetu ye nua Joyce Blessing fo na wetimi asan akofa na wadiem na emomnya abra wogina simpie so na edom bebre twa ne ho ahia no ene obekwa kotu ne fo ewo ho enumpo yesa na wogu nenimu ase enu ntine de ye maami ye ne de entwa yie nempo se nkomhye na aba ewrade ene de asem no ahye wanumpa eyese wutimi ehye ho so na nka dwumadie no eko na wieye no na nka wafre ye nua ba Joyce Blessing na wodi na kogina nchen no waka nsem anyankopon eka ede kire wo no na
I say Jina we sunya home kase bono eso ye ba kwansie mu nsam ye de beto aso ye ba sisia.
Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. It's back again. Women's Premier League is back again. I say Women's Premier League is back again. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. It's back again. Tell everybody, tell them. Everybody, tell them. Go tell everybody to bring back the love. Tell everybody, body.
Abusia sanso mamo akwa babiem ediba virgin enwume no nsia kase bono eso ye dia kwansie mu nsam to akase bono eso ede amamo enne enwume dia na GPL no egusua ekoso na weekend si na chese football matches no egusua ekoso kama no enye asemkitwa kram na weekends ya so Dreams FC woni Liberty Professionals edihye so ama ekowiase no Dreams FC share 4 and Liberty Professionals team muka ba kwa eno no ankwa akoye asemde amfama Liberty Professionals na match no eko na wie ya pem ana Dreams FC ono akasa omu ni coach ekasa ye echiremu ese match no de wono abopa ne nkora na abo na emom no na ko hwe nim se ankankwara no ebetimi ayere won ho ne yete sakra enye kotie ni sem ni bi so emra sisia.
Especially here in Ghana, because each team is good team. Each team has a lot of good players, and this is the reason why they play Super League of Ghana. And we also have a lot of good players, and I'm happy. We had almost 6, 7, 8 injured players, but I didn't want to speak about this before the game, because I believe in these guys, in these boys, and in my life, in my vocabulary, word excuse doesn't exist. And I didn't think about this player. I have another player, and it was difficult game because Liberty is so good team. You saw it. They have 1-2 good chances before we scored. But I told my player just to be calm, wait, chance will come, and that was happened. We scored two goals for 4 minutes, and then something happened. What we have to improve. I told them just be calm to defending 5 minutes, and then we go to half time, and then we go to make plan for second half. And of course always same players make mistakes, and that was today same player. I called him to come to me, and I explained him, and of course he made mistakes. He said that wasn't penalty, but you know, in this moment you have to be calm. In the box you always have to be calm. But okay, and then in second half we scored 2 goals, but a lot of mistakes, and we have to improve this, because I know if we not going to improve another games, we're going to repeat this mistake, and opponent is going to punish us.
Yeguswa ewo GPL matches ya ekoso ye mu na over the weekends ya so kotoko eni Aduana Stars wonum so wonum games no ehhehye so anu no enye fedi agrokra wonum hyehyɛ so ewo Accra Sports Stadium ama ekowiase no just Aduana Stars kotoko wonum ekaba kwa kotokofo yo wonum entimi ante ekana enu no ekokoye asem kese pa ede ema kotokofo ene wonum fans no na enu na wie ya pem ana wonum coach wakasa akiremu ese ewomu se match no wonum elusu de kotoko players no wonum elusu nemom no ogidi pa wa rashemu ese match biema wonum behia no ya just one bayrom ho ama bibia so etimi aye kama.
A win today, and that is what today the manager is going to call. Aduana Stars are spotted. It's in midfield together with Ibe. Finally, Game gets underway here at the Accra Sports Stadium. If you just joined us, this Star Times coverage. Frimpong. Annabella to Gama. Gama with a through ball. Poku goes in, brought down by Joseph Ado. It's a goal kick. Kotoko appeals for a penalty to go for the cross. He's actually picking out Poku with a pass. There. And Poku is always alert. Always looking for that first touch. Got that first touch away from the goalkeeper. But was there enough contact to bring him down? I've seen this given before. Isaac Quain. Now with Diana trying to make inroads. Good drive from Adams. Abalora fails to make a first time save. Yaya pounces on it and Abalora grabs it. Where's by Naby Keita to shift the ball past this man and then hit that effort. It was always going out. Yeah. But you can't rule them out now. Here they go. Abduman. Good block. That's a goal. Samuel Bio has broken the deadlock. And Jonah Stars eye to the lead. He scored against Kotoko Indoma last season. And he's put them ahead after 73 minutes. Strike. And take a look at Bio. Nobody is now making his way into the box. A very good ball into the box here. As he gets here onto it, comes off Mubarak. And the ball falls in place perfectly for Samuel Bio. And he makes a sweet connection with the ball. That was a lovely hit.
GPL na El Kosuna Suno a year week 10 no. Just a Guswa El Kosuna results so far. Yade e bremo ene enyumre so de akwa kodunu yade e boboso kakra e de amamu. Legon Cities any Ashanti Gold a 5-2 Chelsea Legon Cities ana edimu enkunim. Great Olympics na afenso no Karela United just a nil obiantimi amfa ball no anhye nyonko atenemu. Dreams FC 4 ana Liberty Professionals 1 Mediama 2 ana afenso no Inter Allies 1 Brekum Chelsea 0 ana House of Oak 0 Ebusuan Drafts 1 Wafa 1 Elmina Sharks 2 ana afenso no Bechem United 1 11 Wonders 1 Kemfaisa 0 Ashanti Kotoko 0 ana afenso no Adriana Stars 1 na chese games no emu ayedin ye papa GPL week 10 no ehun results ana ye de abremu ene enwumem ebusana we su na yegyina na awukanse mu nsem kakra ye nya ye bobo no e de babeso mu enwume no ye di esi ye dan ho ne ye ba e de kasebo no e be kwakowie ebo amahodo ensem emu ye basisi a
League is back again. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. It's back again. Tell everybody. Tell them. Everybody. Tell them. Go tell everybody to bring back.
Yakoya yaba adishima mai sanso mamo akwa bebiem ediba virgin enwume no nsia kase bono eso safe na odi wafide no ato ha hye no so esa virgin enwume no nsia kase bo ana wani buso a wo hwe no ya to kase bono eso dia ne edan ne akopemu ewo amahodo ensem emu coronavirus ya de no kamia se abeha ye papa pam just anya Ghana nkon Sierra Leone so udru honoma akwakopemu honomo ampenifo guso a ebo homodi ase wonu benye duro ede asesa wonu ho yade na addition so betimi eho aheha mom ewo kronu eso na apapeto dwa esese de yade no apagya nemu ewo Sierra Leone mine mu entinom wonu capital honomo yade se wonu ede lockdown bi atoso na adehye betimi abon ho ban afri yade no eho
Eyade COVID-19 yade esesi edie oman bia eni ho a ebi ennimu sanso ena wo baaye se wo ba betena se enti no wono de wonti jai dia wode beye no bia no apetampe emfa ne hom enu na ene okopie ewo Sierra Leone man no emu a eyade omo ho akere wo mo papapa eyiem esan se de omo ede ye nyina no enya de kosi aga se wo mo ehohoro wo mo nsa ehye nose mask na wo mo eye we se de beye COVID-19 yade no ano ebebrase no ni nyina da no enya de etimi kokodru baby eno ena eneyim wo mu capital meche wo mu ahinkrom eye Freetown lockdown ena yede kwa akoto wo mu som eye na wotwe mienu se de beya adofo no betena wo mu fie na mpo no obi ewo COVID-19 yade no ebia won fa nkokyere ni nua ewo ni fie no wodi betena no ankasa ni fie mpo no se hwehwemu update si wo bia yetimi ede na kwa yaresa bia na yakwa akosa ne yade enti se ne kopiem ewo Freetown meche Sierra Leone wo mo ahinkura eyade lockdown wo mo ekono na wotwe mienu
ewe we su na yegira na kasebo ebobo no de baba so mo enne enwumredi ni nyina esina ansa ne yebekono mo yehwe ne yebeto odwa ne bi ansen yade bremo kasebo mu ese Dr. Zinato Rollins ono eye enkane mampanyi Jerry John Rollins ne papanyi no wakasa akire mu senye wonmu enyinyi esifa no okwan a wonmu sifa ene wonum papa esi etena ye wakyerkyere ye mu kakra mu video no so yede ebremo enne enwumem yesanso ede bremo kase boymu ese Ghana Health Service fonso ede ababa to just coronavirus yade no pejana pejani mu asesi ye kase 367 new cases for frokra ana ababe ka ho ebiem na Dr. Okuboya enkane na ono eye oswafo abede che ohwe yakomde ho ensem sonso ekasa ye echiremu ese kame ese Ghana fo binumu ekasa ese coronavirus ya dia pejanya homere so ewo man Ghana mu no eye campaign ahodo ede hihye so no ena amanu apejanya homere so wakasa ede afa ho na wo coronavirus ya de mu aso ye sanso ede bremo ese mortuary wonuma ehwesiesie sebi efunu eho ewo mortuary sahodo na no ababeto gye se emunsia enam coronavirus ya de no eso ahwe wonmu enkwa na asoye bi nso aye from se West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens wonum so de ababeto edwasen kabeya aban no enhwe na esukufo nkwada yemfa test no bi enye yomo na bibia so entimi enye kama yedi eni kire enigide ensemu enso na nyumtunim ya Celestine Doko gospel nyumtunim wakasa hachemu ese eni ya Celestine yes Cecilia Mafo ekokoyo ye ewo stage wa bra na Joyce Blessing etunyuma okoka na wade honsem ewo honum na nkensese oyo no sa yewude agokanse mu nsem so ebremu kaseboyi emu ekopie mu ewo amanone ensemu eso na Sierra Leone man mu nso no ababetu jase yade no apeja ne mu pa amenam so wonu mo capital honum omkro pon ya honum ye lockdown ato eso ewi abusia na we so na yegina na kasebo ebobo no ede baba so mo enne enwume se virgin enwume no sia kasebo no aha enne merema kwan amye dini nyina esi na hyano se kasebo eye dwumako bi adaroma na boye echidom amye tumi ede kasebo ede ebremu eye Success Preparatory School upesku papa edoba akono osumetimi ajodia ene na mekanfo Success Preparatory School ede amount wonu mechi akwan ewo eye insawam adeso kwantempo no esom anase from ewo 0208 278 198 0208 278 198 na oni penfo enhwehwe enkomo na fa oba no ekoho na bibia entimi enye kama kasebo no esinamia mejebre ekenka kasebo dia mamo enne enwume media meje so a enema bina adobia yemamu nyina mu nhwehwe nitia adehye